Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I got some teriyaki this time. I also got a side dish too, which I'll get to. And I'm actually just parked out here on the road, kind of close to where I live. There's places I could have just taken it home, but last minute decided to enjoy my lunch a little scenic. So this place has really good garlic teriyaki chicken, man. Oh man, I gotta get a close up of this, show it to you. This is kind of my go-to place when I don't feel like cooking. So I cook majority of my meals at home, but when I'm feeling lazy or I just don't want to put the effort in, I come get this place. So I'll turn the camera down. Oh yeah, look at that. Got the garlic in there. 2 scoops of rice. I got 2 sides too, which I'll get to. Which is this? This is a salad. I'll show you those in a moment. So I got it comes with a salad, which you can see. It's nice and green. And it looks good, and I'm gonna eat it. That's Craving Thai should take notes. That's how you do a salad, guys. Fresh, green, delicious. And then I got some gyoza, because I just love gyoza with the dipping sauce. I think it's ponzu sauce it comes with. Love me some gyoza. Alrighty. Almost took this home, but thought I'd eat a little scenic. Look at the Man, they do a really good job here. Try the rice. Oh man. Wow. I tried the gyoza without spilling it, although I already spilled a little ponzu sauce, but thankfully I spilled it in the container. Alright, well, I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch me eat this whole thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and I'll bring it back. So I take a bite of the salad. I already poured the dressing on. I don't have a chest rig to hold the camera, so nor do I bring a tripod in this little ultra pod. But so I'll eat the greens if they're nice and fresh. Not when they're all brown. No one wants to eat that. Take note, places. I'd almost say if you're not going to bother serving fresh greens, I'd rather just not have them. So I'm making progress. Man, the garlic on the teriyaki chicken is just, it's so good. Really good. Well, alrighty. Gotta tell you, every time I eat here, I'm always very satisfied. Really good meal. But garlic, it just does something for me. I gotta take a drink. Alright, well anyway, let's cut to the menu, and then we'll wrap things up. Alrighty. This is allmenus.com, kind of my go-to for, menus, unless they have a website. I didn't say that they had one, but nonetheless, this is just part of what they have. But so you got fried rice, beef, veggie, shrimp, pork, chicken, noodles. This just says so yakisoba, beef, pork, tofu, shrimp, chicken, which you're going to run into a lot. Entrees, chicken teriyaki, organic tofu teriyaki, chicken breast fillets, chicken katsu, pork kebabs, beef short ribs, beef teriyaki, pork teriyaki, uno ja, which I'm not sure what that is. If someone knows, please comment below. I haven't had their curry yet. Katsu, chicken curry, vegetable curry, then donburi, beef, pork, shrimp, vegetable, tofu, and chicken. And I know they have bento boxes. They have tempura. They actually have a chalkboard. Let's see if I can actually get the chalkboard up. Well, this is their Facebook page. Go away. So they have specials Monday through Friday, $9.95. Chicken and katsu, chicken yakisoba, spicy chicken, chicken egg roll, chicken, and then chicken gyoza. Love me some gyoza. Sides, they got gyoza, egg roll, veggie spring roll, side of katsu, pond skewer, salad, steamed rice, kimchi. And here are the bento boxes, which includes shrimp tempura, rice salad, 3-piece gyoza or egg roll. And do they have another? Here's all the stuff I already. Oh, they have bowls: rice bowl, chicken teriyaki, combo. And then they have their combos: chicken and beef, chicken and pork, chicken and gyoza, yada yada. It's really good food. I don't know if they have the menu with the chicken. It doesn't look like they do. It doesn't have the chicken teriyaki. But yeah, it's just there's a smaller one too that has more stuff on it, but I don't see it. We'll try images. There's like a little chalkboard with like 5-6 things on it. No, that's not it. That's not it. It's up on the counter. Well, I'm not seeing it. So, but it has garlic teriyaki on there. That's where I saw it. Excuse me. All right. Well, there we go. If you're in the area and you want to check it out, I recommend them. I think they're good. Anyway, I do a thank you for watching as always, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.